In Okinawa, there is a woman named Aiko. Every dawn she opens her wooden door and bows gently to the rising sun. Then she walks barefoot across her small yard, touching the leaves of her plants, as if greeting old friends. One morning, a traveler asked her, "Why do you do this every day?" Aiko replied softly, "Because when I greet the earth, I remember I am part of it, and the earth remembers me." Good morning. Welcome back to Book Morning Coffee, your daily ritual of calm and wisdom. Here, we don't rush through ideas. We let them unfold like nature itself. Slowly, patiently, beautifully. Yesterday, we explored Wisdom 9, mindfulness and living in the present. And today, we move deeper with Wisdom 10, harmony with nature. To live long and happily, live in harmony with nature. Do not fight it. Flow with its rhythms. In Okinawa, people do not separate life from nature. They rise with the sun, rest with the dark, eat what the land provides, and celebrate the seasons with rituals and festivals. Nature is not background, it is family. Aiko's ritual of greeting the sun is not superstition. It is alignment. It is remembering that our bodies, our breath, and our food are threads in the same fabric as the earth, the wind, and the sky. Think of Aiko's life. She grows her vegetables in her own garden, waters them with care, and thanks the rain when it falls. When storms come, she does not curse the sky. She prepares, waits, and accepts. When blossoms arrive in spring, she celebrates with dance. This rhythm creates peace. By living with nature, not against it, Aiko avoids the modern trap of constant resistance. Many of us live differently. We stay awake long past midnight, ignoring the body's need for darkness. We eat food far from its season, forgetting its natural rhythm. We live in boxes, under artificial light, disconnected from the sun, the soil, the stars. But Ikigai teaches us what Okinawans know. We are not separate from nature. We are nature. Science echoes this truth. Studies show that time in green spaces lowers stress, strengthens immunity, and even reduces risk of heart disease. Sunlight balances hormones. Fresh air clears the mind. Even 5 minutes of contact with nature can change our mood. Harmony with nature also means humility. Nature reminds us of cycles, growth, decay, renewal. By observing these rhythms, we learn patience. A seed takes time to become a tree. A storm is followed by calm. Night is followed by dawn. In Okinawa, festivals are tied to the sea, the harvest, the moon. These celebrations are more than culture. They are reminders. Life is a dance with nature's rhythm. How can you live more in harmony with nature today? Rise with natural light. Let the sun, not your phone, wake you. Eat seasonally. Choose fruits and vegetables that grow in your current season. Your body aligns better with nature this way. Spend time outdoors daily. Walk in a park, touch a tree, sit under the sky. Bring nature inside. Place plants in your home. Open windows for fresh air. Let sunlight in. Listen to natural sounds. Birds, rain, wind. Let them replace noise for a while. Practice gratitude. Before eating, thank the earth, the sun, the rain, and the people who brought the food. Create rituals. Like Aiko bowing to the sun, find your own small way to honor nature each day. This was Ikigai, Wisdom 10, Harmony with Nature. Like Aiko greeting the morning sun, may we remember that nature is not outside us. It is us. To live long and peacefully is to flow with its rhythm, not fight against it. If this story reminded you to step outside, breathe the fresh air, or notice the sky today, then the mission of this channel is fulfilled. At Book Morning Coffee, We believe wisdom is not only for thinking, but for living. In every ordinary moment, tomorrow, we'll continue with wisdom. 11. Lifelong learning. A reminder that curiosity keeps the mind young, and learning keeps the spirit alive. Until then, enjoy your coffee, enjoy the sunlight, and live with Ikigai.